Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to adjust the hardware settings of a virtual machine in VirtualBox using the command line. So we're going to use this Windows 11 virtual machine here, and what we're going to do, we're going to give it some more memory, we're going to add another processor, and then we're going to bump up the video memory. And of course you could change other settings as well, but obviously we're not going to go through every single one. So we're just going to show you the basics, and then you could figure it out from there for the rest by using the command. So the first thing you want to do, you want to navigate to the installation directory of your VirtualBox software. So we'll just copy that text, and we'll do a CD, right click to paste that in. Okay, so if you want to see your VMs to get the name, so let's say you're not even running your Oracle VirtualBox software, you could do a VBoxManage list VMs. This will show you the names of your VMs and their IDs. And then you could also do the showvminfo command. Let's kind of show you what you got going on with your hardware right now. Just kind of a lot of information, so you just kind of scroll through it. You know, here's the 6 gigs of memory, the video RAM size, guest OS name, number of CPUs 1, that type of thing. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do the VBoxManage command, modify VM. So if you were just to run this by itself, it'll give you a listing of everything you could do, all the switches and so on. So it's a lot of stuff there, so you might have to research something if you're looking for particular settings. So let's clear the screen there. So what we're going to do, VBoxManage, modify VM, VM name, you could also use the ID. And then we're going to change the CPUs to 2, change the memory to 8 gigs, and bump up the video RAM to 128. So all we're going to do is run this in one command here. Copy that, we'll paste it in. And that should be done. So now, if we go back to the settings, you can see we got our 8 gigs of RAM, 2 CPUs, and the video memory is up to 128. So it's a pretty quick way to do that if you have to do it on a lot of VMs, or if you want to do it without having to open your VirtualBox software or do it remotely, that kind of thing. So I'll put these commands in the text here in the description. You just have to obviously change the text from your VM name, and then also the information of what you want to change and so on, and take it from there. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.